Triumph appears to be preparing to broaden its growing single-cylinder 400cc lineup with a new retro-inspired model that has recently been spotted undergoing testing. The prototype is widely expected to join the Bonneville family, likely carrying the name Bonneville 400, and clearly leans into the brand's classic design language. The test bike showcases a strong heritage focus, featuring a rounded fuel tank, circular LED headlamp, rubber fork gaiters, and a flat bench seat. It rides on spoked wheels wrapped in road-biased classic tires, believed to be the Pirelli Phantom Sports Comp. Braking is handled by single discs at both ends, in line with the rest of Triumph's 400 range. Power is expected to come from the familiar 398cc liquid-cooled 4-valve DOHC single-cylinder engine used across the platform, producing around 40 brake horsepower. The motorcycle also appears to feature a low-mounted single exhaust, reminiscent of larger Bonneville twin models, reinforcing its retro Roadster character. Practical details are also evident in the spy shots, including a pillion-friendly rear setup with grab rail, a sturdy bash plate likely shared with the Scrambler 400X, and a conventional non-adjustable front fork. At the rear, twin shocks with preload adjustment are mounted to a revised tubular subframe. Additional glimpses suggest the inclusion of a center stand, further enhancing touring usability. While the design direction seems clear, Triumph has not officially confirmed production timelines or specifications, leaving the Bonneville 400's launch details still under wraps.